Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the site settings for any particular site that you've added to our web crawler. You will have to have already added both a project and a website to your account in order to do this, and you typically do that as part of the getting started and sign up process. We have videos that cover how to add sites and add projects to your account, so if you haven't done so, you can either check out one of those videos or follow the on-screen instructions when you log in. If you have added a project already, when you log in, you'll be taken to the project's home screen, which is what you're seeing now. And from here, you'll see a list of all of the projects that you've added. Simply click on the project name for the project that you want to manage. And in here, you'll see any sites that you've previously added to the main site section and the competitor section. Any site that's already added here will have a settings icon. If you click that icon, you can change any of the settings that you have for that particular site, such as the site name or the site URL or the site map URL. If you change anything in here, you can click Save Settings to save those settings, or you can click Delete if you want to delete that site altogether. So that's everything you need to know about how to edit the site settings within our SEO tools. I hope you've found this video useful. Thanks for watching.